use in Excel. Here let me write vlookup formulas. So you will be wondering what is vlookup. VLOOKUP is nothing but a function to look up and retrieve the data from the table in Excel. Here V stands for vertical. To get the data from horizontal, it will be HLOOKUP. Today we will discuss only about VLOOKUP. Let me show how the VLOOKUP works. Now I have a list of names with their marks. Here like this. This is the table with names and marks. Here I have the name Divya. I want to check the marks of this candidate. So I can write the VLOOKUP formula equals VLOOKUP. Lookup value is Divya from the table array. This is the table, and value it should be retrieve is marks. So I will select marks also from this column index. Here the column index which I want the retrieve, that will be column index 2, and true or false, approximate for match or exact match. Let me give the exact match, that is 0. Now I got the value as 34, that is Divya's value 34. So this is how the VLOOKUP works. This is the date value which it will check from this table, and this is the column index number. Means I selected complete table, and the column index number which I want to retrieve is second column. So 2. If I give here 1, it will give the name, Divya's name, it will display like this. Since I gave 2, like this. Here let me tell you one thing. I will give the marks 34, and I want to check who got 34. So if I want to check this, if I look up 34 from this table array, and since column index number Divya is 1 in column 1, so let me give 1 and 0, what it will give? Not applicable. Why means VLOOKUP, this will look up for the data only on the right side of its value. It will not look up for the data which is there on the left side of its value. So that is one of the greatest limitation in VLOOKUP formula. Means the value should be on the left side, and the data which it want to look up and retrieve should be on the right side. That is the greatest limitation in VLOOKUP. And one more thing is, VLOOKUP always finds for the first match. For example, here I will add one more Divya with marks 45. So Divya, if I check for the marks, look up for Divya from this table with marks and column index number 2 and 0, 34. I got 34 because it will look up for the first match. It will not check for the second match. That is what VLOOKUP. And VLOOKUP is case sensitive. Here Divya is in small letter. If I give here capital letter also, it will not change. Here VLOOKUP for Divya from this table of array 0, 2. So it will not change. This is case sensitive. That is the basic details about vlookup. Hope this information helps. Thanks for watching the video.